Hi, this is Brittany over at Montgomery Chevrolet. I wanted to welcome you out to our open house event that we've got going on right now. We've got numerous Chevrolets with huge incentives right now. If you check out our website at www.502chevy.com, you will see that our prices are actually lower than employee prices this month. We've got deals on used cars. If you finance or trade with us, if you pay cash, you name it, we've got it. We're going to be open all weekend. And if you can make it by, just definitely let me know. Our hours are Saturday 9 to 6 and Sunday from 1 to 5. And of course, we're open Monday through Friday from 9 to 8. Be sure you check us out before the 12th. That is when our fast start incentives do expire. So that's extra cash you could be saving on your next purchase. If you have any questions at all, or you know when you can come in, just give me a ring. My number is 502-962-3256. Come see us here at Montgomery Chevrolet.